In this lecture, we'll continue discussing about our ERC20 token and what must be done in order to have a fully compliant ERC20 token. The transfer function is used for sending tokens from one user to another, but it doesn't work well when tokens are being used to pay for a function in a smart contract. The ERC20 standard defines a mapping data structure named allowed. This is a two-dimensional mapping structure and two functions, approve and transferFrom, that permit a token owner to give another address approval to transfer up to a number of tokens known as allowance. Allowances for an address can only be set by the owner of that address, ensuring that no one can use the allowance feature to steal tokens. Let's see an example. Let's imagine there are two users, A and B. A has 1000 tokens and wants to give permissions to B, which in most cases is a contract, to spend 100 of them, or in other words, to give permission to B to transfer 100 tokens from A account to his own account. So there are two steps. This is a two-step process. First, A, the owner, will call approve of address of B and 100, the total number of tokens that could be transferred from A by B. After that, the allowed data structure will contain the following information. Allowed of address of A and address of B equals 100. If B wants to later transfer 20 tokens from A to his account, B will execute the transferFrom function in this way. TransferFrom, the first argument is the address of A, the second argument is the address of B, and the third, the last argument, is 20, the value that will be transferred. After calling the transferFrom function, the balance of A decreased with 20 and the balance of B increased with 20 tokens. And the allowed data structure will contain the following info. Allowed of address of A and address of B equals 80. So in the future, B could transfer 80 more tokens from A to his own account. So, in a nutshell, the transfer function is used by the owner to transfer tokens to another account, and this is one step process, one function call, and transferFrom is used by another user to transfer tokens from another account to his own account. And here we have two steps process. First, the owner allows the second user to future transfer tokens from his account, and then that user, the second user, will transfer from the owner account to his own account. Okay, in the next lecture, we'll implement these functions in order to have a fully compliant ERC20 token. See you soon.